The Erdington COVID-19 Taskforce has been set up to support the local community during the coronavirus crisis, addressing the immediate issues affecting local residents, such as access to food and essential provisions. Organisations across Erdington are working together with a network of volunteers and community support.
Other than Witton Lodge, it involves our local MP, it involves local councillors and a number of organisations who are working in and around the Erdington constituency. So what we're looking to do is to coordinate our efforts to promote collaboration and cooperation between community groups, organisations, the local authority and other agencies who are working at this time. What we've decided to do was to create a resource and a space for local groups and organisations and volunteers to come and collect food and supplies to distribute to vulnerable people. So it's not a food bank, but it complements the work of the food banks. It's very much a local resource. It has been donated by local people, local businesses, and also citywide organisations like the local authority, the Active Wellbeing Society and the Real Junk Food Project. The absolute priority has to be the welfare and safety, so people having those essential supplies. We already have residents and individuals and families that we know need this support, so we've started with those. We are now having referrals, people are calling us, counsellors, social workers and others are referring people to us, and so we've mobilised our staff and volunteers to go and make sure that those deliveries happen, and we've scheduled those in so there are regular delivery slots a couple of times a week to do that. So actively working directly with us, there are a dozen volunteers who are performing a range of tasks. I should mention that you will see the visible signs of people kind of packing supplies and food and delivering, but behind the scenes actually a lot of our volunteers are also making phone calls, well-being checks to people just to make sure that in their own homes they are well and they are safe.
Actually, if you'll go in there, we've got some frozen. Do you want to take those with you?
I think volunteering is really important. I think if there are supplies and food, we'll happily take those. I think what I would say to groups and organisations who are there, who want to work together, is to come forward. We will add them to that emergency asset register. We're using that as the live platform. People can add their details, can let everyone know what's going on, what services they're providing, and importantly, they can collaborate with others in their neighbourhoods and communities. They can contact us. We have a telephone number. We're active on Facebook, on Twitter, through our website. So really, any particular way that they want to, we're here and we're happy to receive that support.